Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So as per our expectation, GBP USD is going up, trying to recover a little. Okay, this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD, and my dear friends, if you want a detailed analysis on the GBP USD, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. Because see, after the market opening, there is not much movement on GBP USD, so things have not changed much on the chart. As a result, I do not want to repeat the same stuff and I do not want to bore you again. So as a result, if you want a detailed analysis, please watch the video I uploaded on Saturday. Okay, so first of all, GBP USD is trying to recover, and you can see that overall the setup of GBP USD has remained the same. I am not going to give you any buy call as of now because the trend of the market is still very much bearish, and as we all know, trend is our friend, trend is our soulmate, trend is everything. Okay, so considering the trend of the market, considering the thumb rule, we should mainly be looking for selling opportunities right now. And if you look at the chart of DXY, also US dollar, then again, as per our expectation, the correction is going on DXY. DXY is taking rest right now. So just keep in mind, as long as DXY is trading between these two lines, you will not find huge movement in the market. Okay, but on the other hand, if DXY breaks the line, starts going down, or if the uptrend continues on US dollar and if it breaks the line and starts going up, then definitely there will be huge volatility in the market, there will be turmoil in the market. So keep your eyes on DXY, because whenever DXY goes up, GBP USD goes down, and when DXY goes down, GBP USD goes up. Always keep in mind. So what should be a strategy? Yes, the strategy still same. If market goes up, observe the price at this trend line, because you can clearly see that this trend line has been acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. You can see that whenever market was trying to recover, this trend line was acting as a resistance for the market. So still there's a good possibility of this trend line providing resistance. So if market goes up and if it faces the same resistance and the market reverses from here, we will take a sell position. And on the other hand, you can see that I have also drawn the Fibonacci retracement level. So we have a Fibonacci retracement level at 1.3450, 1.3450. So before reaching the trend line, if you find market struggling at this level and market reversing, you can also take a sell position there also. Okay, that's totally your call. But on the other hand, I'm using the word on the other hand very much these days. Anyways, so we can take a sell position at the trend line. Secondly, we can take a sell position at the Fibonacci retracement level. Again, I was about to say on the other hand. The third trading opportunity is quite risky here, so beginners and new traders may avoid, because 1.3410 was the previously, it was the support for the market. Okay. So if market breaks the level, and starts going down, you can take a sell position below 1.3410 level. But this level is not a very safe one. If you compare with these two trading opportunities, this is a quite risky one, because we are not getting a fresh breakout here. Whereas on the chart of Euro USD, if it breaks the level of 1.1430 level, that will be a fresh breakout. There will not be any support to hold the market. But in case of GBP USD, that is not the case here. So the third trading opportunity is quite risky one, you can avoid. As of now, let's keep our eyes on GBP USD. Just keep in mind, if the market goes up and reverses, we can take a sell position. But on the other hand, if you wants to take a buy position, or then be very careful. Be very careful, because the trend of the market is very much towards the downside, and please use proper stop loss and risk management if you are on a buy position right now. Okay. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.